Oh, okay, he's gone. He just disappeared. Just as I started recording, he disappeared. Oh man, where is he? May, where the hell did you go? I did not even see you, dude. You're gone. Where the hell do you go? I can see your dot, dude, but I can't not see you. You just like disappeared in the tugboat underwater. Okay. Where's your dot? There's your dot. No, Skillz, you're glitching. Maybe reverse. Or go forward, do something, move. Move somewhere, I don't care which direction, move. Oh my god. I can see like that friggin' antenna on the tugboat, that's awesome. May stop moving for a sec. It's hard to play with one hand because I'm trying to hold my iPod with one hand and it's like chilling beside the antenna of your boat. Oh, dude, I'm standing on the antenna of your tugboat. Oh, dude, I'm standing on the roof of your tugboat. Stop moving. What are you doing? Stop running from me. Dude, I can see your character a bit. I can see the head of your character. Stop moving. Stop moving. Whoa. What just happened? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Man, you're like... Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my. What just happened? What just happened? What is going on? Where did that tugboat come from? Okay.